When you're in Tijuana, you have to do the whole touristy thing. I don't know why. Why, oh why? Why? Oh why? Why? I don't know. I'm back here in the Avenida, sorry. Avenida Revolucion, and this is where the Arc is. But I am back here because I want to get horchata. Where do I get horchata? Where can one get horchata? Huh? I don't know. I had Haitian food and I'm really full. I'm just really thirsty now for horchata. Let's see what they got. And waiting. We'll see what they got here. Bro, I'm so full from that Haitian food. It was so good though. So worth it. So nice. Maybe they might have something here. Maybe they might have horchata or something. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I'll update y'all later, but right now I'm really full. I got my fix with Haitian food. And now, let's look for some horchata.